People are always looking for ways to save money, but many don't stop to think about ways to save electricity. Saving electricity can save you a lot of money, and it is easy. Here are some tips from the Department of Energy on how to save electricity at home and save money. Keep watching until the end to learn about the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's discovery that cuts power bills down by 65%. 1. Turn off the lights when you're not using them. Okay, this is the most obvious one, so let's get it out of the way. Some people might think that turning lights on and off is a waste of electricity, but it's not. It's cheaper to turn off the lights when you're not using them because the light only consumes electricity when it's turned on. 2. Unplug electronics when they're not in use. The answer to the question, when should you unplug electronics, is a bit tricky. You should unplug them whenever they are not in use. Some appliances do use electricity even when they are not in use. For example, your television and other gadgets that have a standby mode will continue to draw power while plugged in but turned off. If you have gadgets that are always plugged in, like your computer or cable box, it's important to unplug them after they're not being used for long periods of time. This way, you will be saving on energy and money. 3. Air dry your laundry instead of using the dryer and try to keep your clothes clean for longer. Air drying clothes is a great way to save money on your utility bill and reduce your carbon footprint. Air drying clothes can be done in the laundry room or in the backyard. The fastest way to dry clothes without a dryer is to hang them on a line or lay them flat on a surface such as a bed. This will take some time, but it's worth it if you want to save money and energy. 4. Seal windows with weather strips or sealant to avoid drafts that waste heat. One of the major causes of heat loss is drafts. Drafts can be caused by broken seals or gaps in windows, doors, and other openings. Sealing your windows with weather stripping or sealant will help to prevent drafts from coming in and wasting heat. 5. Heating and cooling efficiently. Heating and cooling can account for a large amount of your home's energy use. Efficiency is key to saving on your monthly bills, and there are many ways to make your heating and cooling more efficient. Depending on where your home is located, it can also be helpful to install a programmable thermostat with an energy-saving schedule that turns off the AC or heat when no one is home. If you heat with natural gas, the most efficient type of heating system is a natural gas furnace with an NCR rating of 13 or higher and uses R410A refrigerant. 6. Clean the lint filter after each load of laundry to reduce drying time and save electricity. The lint filter is a mesh that sits in the dryer and catches lint. It can be cleaned after each load of laundry to reduce drying time and save electricity. 7. Avoid the use of the dishwasher when hand washing dishes will be enough. It may take more time, but if you have a dishwasher, try not to use it all day long. Turn it on only when there are a lot of dishes or when you want to add in something large like pots or pans. 8. Draft-proofing your home. Draft-proofing your home is the cheapest and easiest way to save power. Draft-proofing is a term used for sealing your home against cold air coming in from outside. This can be done by installing draft excluders on doors and windows, or by adding extra layers of insulation in the building. 9. Install CFL light bulbs. Do CFL bulbs save energy? Which light bulbs should be installed to save electricity? How can CFLs reduce electric load shedding? CFL light bulbs use about 25% of the energy of an incandescent bulb and last 8 to 10 times as long. CFL bulbs can be used in any type of light fixture. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit in any fixture. CFLs are also available in a variety of colors such as warm white, cool white, and natural white. If you are looking for a way to save electricity, installing CFL light bulbs is one way to do that. They use less electricity than incandescent lights and last much longer, so they don't need to be replaced as often. 10. Using appliances wisely. Most people don't realize that home appliances account for about 1/3 of the total energy used in a typical household. It is important to use energy-saving appliances, and it is not just about the cost savings. Energy-saving appliances can help protect the environment and prevent global warming. They also help save you money on your electric bill. Click the first link in the description to learn about the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's discovery that cuts power bills down by 65%. And subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.